you one of those viewers who prefer to watch the art and not listen to somebody talk about the art? Well, welcome to my new playlist called Intuitive Art. Now, let's dive in. Welcome, Sea Rockers, to the new playlist called Intuitive Art. Now, the videos that'll go into this playlist will be primarily less talk or no talk, although I don't think I can do that. But anyway, there'll be more action. Less talk, more action. There you go. And for those who enjoy watching the art process but don't necessarily need to hear all about it. Well, intuitive art in itself is just that, based upon your intuitions, your feelings, your experiences, how the art makes you feel and how you react to it. Now, because I am much more of a planner type person, this type of art is definitely a challenge for me. I find that I can work these pieces to death, so I try not to do that. So I hope you enjoy the process. I'm going to shut up and talk as little as possible for the remainder of this video, and I'll see you at the other end. thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself and you enjoyed exploring this new playlist of intuitive art with me. As always, I invite you to join the Sea Rocker family, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you did enjoy today's new playlist, I'd appreciate it if you could splash that like button and leave me a comment if you would like and let me know what you think. You can follow me on my other social media platforms. You can find me on my website and an Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go beach or go home.